Hey, if you are wondering what you can do if your USB-C drive doesn't fit into the USB-C port on the Motorola Moto G86 5G, like in my case, take a look. I cannot plug it in. Then there's a simple solution. All you need to do is just to purchase this adapter from USB-C to USB-C or from USB-A into the USB-C. So in my case, I can actually rotate my device and change its input for USB-A. Now I can just plug it in and input it just over here and everything is fine. So these adapters are pretty cheap. You can get them from Temu for like $1. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also get it probably in every mobile store or in the other websites, in the other markets, like for example Amazon. So you don't have to purchase any expensive adapter, just a simple one that will allow you to simply plug it in into the USB-C port.